Shoreside starts now.
We have breaking news to tell you about tonight. A tornado warning has just been issued for Stark County. Let's go right to meteorologist Jason Nicholas for a look.
Well, Alicia, it's been primed here for severe weather development. Temperatures nearing record highs, actually tied a record in Cleveland set back in 1925. We hit 93 degrees. There's a lot of heat and humidity in the atmosphere. And also now we have some possible tornadoes, tornado warning at least, some rotation and some storms down into the Stark County area. Let's get right to it on the Power 5 live Doppler Network radar. A couple of storms bisecting Worcester, but the one we're concerned about here is near Massillon. You can see that circle there indicates some rotation in the Power 5. So this storm is near Massillon. The tornado warning for Stark County until 7 o'clock. This is Doppler indicated. No one has seen a tornado, but we're talking about the possibility of a tornado near Massillon, about 10 or 12 miles west of Canton there, right where that circle is, moving southeast very slowly at 15 miles per hour. I'm going to read off a few towns for you here. If you hear your town, again, take cover immediately. The best way to protect yourself from a potential tornado is to put as many walls between you and the storm. Interior portions of your house, lowest floor. Basements obviously work well. Get as many walls between you and the storm, and also stay away from windows because flying debris can break windows. And duck, cover your head, and wait until the storm passes. Turn on channel 5, turn up the radio or the audio there so you can hear my voice if you are taking cover. Massillon, Navarre, Perry Heights, Hills and Dales, Myers Lake, even Canton, especially the south side of Canton, East Sparta, Waynesburg, Magnolia. This storm is heading your way. Again, very close to the Massillon area. I'm going to turn on our wind product, which shows where our winds could be changing direction. So when we talk about red and green close together, right here, you can see we have a little couplet. It's relatively weak. These couplets, or these different colors, aren't that close. Between Sippo and Canal Fulton, moving off to the south and east at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So, again, really concerned at this point about Massillon itself as this storm continues to move off towards the south and east, only at about 15 miles per hour. So if you are in Massillon or the north part of Massillon, you'll want to take cover. Let's put some streets on here so you can see exactly where we're talking about. There's Massillon. That's State Highway 236. Another road, really concerned about State Highway 21. And then another street here, another road between North Lawrence and Sippo, that is 93. But again, just off to the north and west of Massillon. We can track this part of the storm and get you some cities here, and that might help us just a bit, able to tell you where exactly this thing is going. Okay, this is the storm just north of Massillon, the one that may be producing a tornado. Again, tornado warning in effect until 7 o'clock for Stark County. Walnut Hill, right now, Perry Heights, 6:06. Current time, 6:03. Ignal Heights, 6:06. Westland Park, 6:08. Genoa, 8 after 6. Richville, Edgewood Park, just after that, as this storm continues to push off towards the south and east. Again, only 15 miles per hour. This is radar indicated. A tornado warning is in effect for southwestern Stark County until 7 o'clock tonight. So really tough to see where you might have some type of tornado here, but nonetheless, let's turn on our SRV, our wind function. And again, you see those bright reds right there? I'm circling with my mouse north of Massillon, and those brighter greens there, that indicates some rotation, potentially near the ground level. So we're talking just north and west of Massillon, even some hail in this storm. This storm continued to move to the south and east 15 to 20 miles per hour. So relatively slowly, however, I would expect that speed to increase just a little bit. Navarre, Canton, also down towards Boulevard and East Sparta. Let's go ahead and take a look inside this storm just a little bit. And this is what it looks like in our 3D mode. And you can see there, pretty impressive storm up to about 50,000 feet there, and a little column of air rushing down, possibility of a little bit of hail there suspended. Let's turn on our rotation product, which if there is a funnel forming, it may let us see this funnel forming if it's getting close to the ground. And you can certainly see there the potential of a column forming. A lot of rotation in the upper levels, not looking like, there's a little appendage right there, not looking like at this point, from what I'm seeing, that we are getting any ground rotation yet.